I'm going to make an earthquake.
Erika, how was school?
Good.
Let's watch the news.
Okay, today's news is an earthquake at American High School. Let's tell the principal and the teachers.
Well, my students got out of the school because of the earthquake. Wait, it was Erika. You're expelled, Erika.
Well, my detention students got out of the school because of the earthquake. Wait, it was Erika. You're expelled, Erika.
It was Erika. You must be grounded by your parents. I am sick of Erika too. She needs punishments by her parents.
Thanks for watching and you're expelled, Erika.
Erika, you are grounded for making an earthquake at school.
That means no TV, no movies, no My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, no going to see Mission Impossible 4, no computer, no YouTube, and no Go Animate.
Go to your room now, because you are so grounded.